channel. Today we have never seen before turbo flip Thomas. We have never seen a train does this kind of stuff. Comes with the remote control. There's 5 amazing tricks. Look at what you can do. At the back here you can see some actions. 360-degree backflips. Here is the second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. Here you can see all the actions Thomas can do at the back. A button. So it says try me, press number 1.
Whoa! Who's there? Wheels up! Let's roll! Bet you never saw a train do this before.
Thomas talks to it out from the box. See, Thomas is ready for action. So this is our remote, and here is Thomas. This button should bring him back. Yes. And you see the track. Look at this. It's all, oh.
Do backflip.
Okay, so forward and backward.
If you do that,
The light, that is like track. Okay, let me show you the track here. Look at this little track that is coming from the bottom, and here is Thomas.
Let's do an even bigger stunt.
Look at this guy, is so excited. He likes Thomas. Look what's happening.
This is not part of the routine. A little help, please.
He's trying to help.
Wheelies!
Here is the backflip one, I believe.
Express!
Yes. He's ready to go, and let me go ahead and show you.
Whoa! Wheels!
Let's see up close how it looks. Look at this awesome Thomas. This is called Turbo Flip Thomas. From all sides, all directions, and this number 1 button is look at this. You can press it and it will show some stunt. Let's see, this is like cloud, steam. It looks like cloud, huh? It's steam, and it also has work to do. And here on the bottom you can see this is like track. So this track opens up, you can see, and it has work to do. Here you can see it has a different, it has so it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, including this one is 7. And through this the light come out, and you can see the track here, just like track shaped light comes out, and this one also helps to go like, you know, in rotating motion. This is how it can take its wheels up, but even though I'm just supporting it with the remote now. Here you can see a counterpart Thomas. The Thomas usually comes in this color. This is a huge one, same size. And this one is one of those like award-winning Thomas toy. It had steam before. Look at this. It has a steam, and steam comes through the funnel. But now that I don't have the remote, I can't activate it. And this is the backflip Thomas. So let's go ahead and have fun with this. All right. Here is the remote. Oh, you need to activate. You need to wake it up. You know how you wake.
Oh, hi, friend. Let's light this track up. Green signal backwards. Forward, speed spin.
You see that? How?
Come on, backwards.
So you need to go. I want.
Speed spin. Green sig backwards.
See that?
Forward.
Look at this. Both Thomas of same size.
Speed spin. Come on, friend.
Now is the time to flip.
Express flipping through.
Look at that. That was too much.
Whoa, wheels up. This is not part of the routine. A little help, please.
Okay, we need to help because he's asking for help. So let's go ahead and help Thomas.
Let's do an even bigger stunt. Thank you, friend. Express flipping through.
Like many Thomas, this one comes with batteries here, but in the remote you need batteries. It's in sleeping mode. Pressing number 1 you can wake it up. So that's the reason.
Whoa, wheels up.
Thomas, you can see it's not straight. This is not straight. It's kind of in tilted, which is that makes it look it's going fast. It's more of like stunt Thomas. You can see how it looks like it's going forward real fast. That's why you can see all those, you know, details like that. Nothing is working. You know what? Because we have to wake it up. So what do? You just press number 1.
Oh, hi, friend. Let's light this track up.
You see the track is already out, lighted. It's bright enough. Now it's ready.
Wheels up. Let's roll.
Oops. Thomas. What is it doing? Look what happens. It will take nap. That's what I wanted to show you. And it also snores. It's kind of funny, Thomas, huh? Snoring Thomas.
Reboot the rails. I'm ready to go.
Look at this. I like the way they made it. Beautifully done, huh? Thomas snoring. Thomas was taking nap. So you need to wake him up by pressing the number 1 button. That's the button. Alright, thank you viewers. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this Turbo Flip Thomas, don't forget to hit the like button. And please make sure to subscribe.
Whoa, wheels up. Phew, that was close.
I got a trick.
I thought you'd never press those buttons.
Oh, I got music on.
Oh, I didn't know it had music.
You press the number 1 when you're not sleeping, and then the music.
Yeah. You see, I didn't know that it had music. This is bonus I'm showing, and in the bonus part, we found music.